I say with us is the captain of Marienthal Rugby Club, Fabian Ralph. You just had a 12-12 result in the reserve league against the second team of United. United scored that last try and then they had the conversion. How did you? Yeah, then they missed it. How did you see that match going?
I think we played a really great game against a bigger pack. But I think the boys they step up. We have a lot of young talent that we are trying to develop this year because we only started after long years that we are out of the league. So we are trying to rebuild. Thanks to Neil Iman, the coach. We would just like to say thank you for United hosting this tournament. During the game, there were some calls that as a captain, I felt was a little bit 50-50 from the ref. But that's sports. At the end of the day, rugby is the winner.
I say, who you got coming up next?
Our last game is against Suburbs team. And it's actually a do-or-die game. So hopefully the guys will step up. We have a little bit of a break now. So I think we just relax now and recover. Get some energy drinks and stuff in and then go and play our last game. No matter what happens, I'm proud of the boys. They really stepped up because we are a lot of young guys that came from school only last year finished. So yeah.
Okay, yeah. So you are one of the veterans, providing some leadership and some direction to the team.
Yes.
And so good luck with your next matches.
Okay, thank you, Andre.